Today, our Central Nutrition Services team, they have been preparing some of the boxed lunches that will go out during this extended school closure. We have a public health crisis, and we know that Superintendent Dr. Doris Ray has really pushed the team to prepare not if but when schools would close. And so we knew this day was coming, wanted to work with our partners in the community to set up some distribution sites for families to be able to pick up meals even during the closure. Students who are hungry oftentimes cannot learn either in the classroom environment and also at home. And so we want to make sure they have nourished meals regardless of if they belong to Shelby County Schools, municipalities, ASDs, or charters. We want to make sure any child 18 and under is served a nutritious meal during this break. We have now more than 60 sites. It expanded and tripled in size just in the last week, and we're so grateful to those community partners who have stepped up and who will serve as distribution locations throughout the city and county. I think it's also important that families and folks in the community understand that this is what we do here at Shelby County Schools. Again, we serve more than 150,000 meals a day, whether it be breakfast and lunch. And so this is an extended opportunity for us to make sure that those children here in Shelby County get a nutritious meal during the school closure.